Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dream You channel. Now I am going to tell you about LG 215 liters direct cool single door 4-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 215 liters, compressor type, smart inverter, performance 4-star for energy saving up to 45%, defrosting type, direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. In addition to that, base stand with drawer for storing items that doesn't need cooling, example onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator, number of doors 1, warranty 1 year on refrigerator and 10 years on compressor. Coming to the cost price, 18,300 rupees only. Friends, I hope you like this video. To get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dream You channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.